So ECEAP Preschool is a community school, I feel like. Anyone can apply and come in. We lead from 3 years old up to 5 years old, and we're getting all those kids ready to go to kindergarten.
A lot of them come out of our classes already knowing their alphabet, most of their numbers, being able to write their names.
If you speak Spanish, we have a dual language program. If you only speak English, we have a variety of English teachers. If you want only part day, we can provide that for you. We're doing dental screenings, health screenings. Twice a year we do vision and hearing screenings. And again, that's all covered when you come to the school, so parents aren't having to pay out of pocket for it.
You know, we're not taught how to be parents, we're not taught how to teach children to be children, but to guide a child and how to play with another child, how to ask someone, do you want to be my friend? Do you want to play with me? You know, those are things that my children learned here in action.
You will see the big difference and big change. I highly recommend it. All 3 of my kids went here and I have no regrets over it.
I think any parent that you don't think you're going to qualify for preschool funding, if you don't have a place where you feel you can put your child for daycare, ECEAP is a great opportunity to have your kid come where you might not have the money, you might not have the resources, and ECEAP is definitely there to help those students.